You're looking at a used EGR cooler on a Mercedes MBE 900. You can see the wear marks here. What happened was the elbow kind of worked its way out and just vibrated. They got the steel rings to seal. So we've sent out one of these to a machine shop, and they sleeved it. Did a pretty good job. For the price of a new one. The core's about 25% cost of a new EGR cooler, and we set this up. Here we got it. Pull this baby out of here. So you can see it's been sleeved. Did a nice job. Back to new. Had the same wear as that other one on the other bench. And what was happening was this elbow was cocked, and then there was a severe exhaust leak. And this is the problem we've been having. This vibration just kind of works its way loose. But you can't have any exhaust leaks. You get an engine code, of course. So we're just going to reassemble, get the cooler and the piping back together, and go from there.